Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This weird booster, I went and tested it out in the store. I put like a $30 Olay skin cream in my basket to see what would happen, and it is in fact working the way that I thought it would. So we're going to go through this bite by bite on how to use this goofy booster if you might have received it, just to show you a quick little breakdown, like if you're spending $1, you're going to get 40 cents. More advantageously, if you're spending 20, you're getting back 8. 40, you're getting back 16. For the balance, you got to use your debit card because this is exactly like a booster. And it also stacks in store with the paper booster, and that's where you're going to get your most bang for your buck. And it's also of a one-time use, just to note that. So pick wisely the deal you want to do. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, if you want to subscribe, you'd really be making my day. So take a quick second and like this video. Thanks so much, guys. So on Sunday, I had to spend 60, get back 12. I mathematically couldn't make a deal happen. But with this, yes, you can, because this is 25 back when you're spending 40, which is more than 50% back. Pairing it with sales items, we're talking a free basket. So this is what I had. 2 Schick products that's giving back $8 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2, and then 4 Tide products. And then when you're buying 4 of them, you're getting back a $5 register reward. And all of these items have digital coupons attaching with. So we're just going to jog through the products really quickly, and then I'm going to show you the breakdown. So one of these Tide pods for $5.49, and I had $1 digital. A Tide liquid for the same price, and I had $1 digital for that. And the dryer sheets, I also had $1 digital for that. Now, why I kind of went off the menu and didn't grab some gain was we're almost out of these dryer sheets, and my husband does laundry like 18 times a day, so I needed to grab it. So these are the digitals I had. I was $1 short, but man, I needed that the scent-free dryer sheets. Alternatively, you can grab one of these guys, and there's also dollar digitals, and it's on the exact same promotion, so you would get $4 off instead of the 3 like me, but I needed those dryer sheets because I was almost completely out of them. Okay, so moving it along, the other items I grabbed for the basket include the more expensive Schick Intuition. It has a shave cream around the razor, and since I'm lazy, that's the one I grabbed for $11.99. Alternatively, you can grab the cheaper one for $10 and some change if you wish. And then I grabbed the cheapest men's razor for $9.79. And if you look at the tag really quick, it's $8 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of the participating products. So with these fancy dancy razors, why the razors this go around? Because we have $4 digitals for both. So definitely load for both the men and the women's. And the Intuition is just a preference of mine, just because it's just a fabulous razor. If you know, you know. Okay, so looking at the math for this one, guys, 4 of the Tide Bounce products for $21.96. Again, if you want to sub out get a gain product to get the 4 digitals working for you, by all means. And then 2 of the Schick razors, both a men and a women, for $21.78. Your grand total here is $43.74. Now, I got the cashier to scan my booster, 9 back when you spend 40, plus I had that digital booster loaded of 40%. Digitally, I had $11 coming off of the total. Plus, I had a couple manufacturer register rewards for the Keurig coffee I was buying last week and some Unilever deal. I threw all of those in, and it came off. So I had to pay with my debit card $23.74, and then I got back $34 in Walgreens cash, $25 for the 2 goofy boosters, and then $8 for the Schick. So if you're looking at this, and a $5 register reward for buying that mountain of Tide and Bounce and all of that good stuff. It's making it a really great deal of, I think it's like free and a $6 moneymaker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, but you can use a manufacturer register reward on one of these baskets, and it should work for you guys. So if you have that digital booster of 40%, I would definitely make a deal happen. I know your mileage may vary. Not everybody received it, but perhaps next week you might receive it. Maybe it's a new sort of booster that they're testing out. I prefer that over spend 25, get back 6, Because, guys, I got back 16 on this basket, which is fantastic. Okay, so while you're in this store, you might want to moonwalk near the skincare aisle. Lots of stuff in the regular skincare aisle on clearance, along with the fancier stuff. This Olay serum, that's usually $49.99 on clearance for $12.49. We have a $12 digital, dropping it down to 49 cents. So if you can make the dollars and cents of that one, I mean, by all means, pull the trigger. 49 cents for a product. I mean, that's 99.9%. It's almost free. Make it happen. And hopefully it's on clearance. They usually start marking stuff down for clearance on Saturdays or Tuesdays. So those 2 days, I mean, I would definitely check. But this is the magic number. And if you are still in search of toys, if you have a birthday coming up or you need to just pick up some kids' toys, that section where they have a lot of the kids' toys, it's been on 50% for a long time. Now it's about 70, some of the stuff even 90. So I would definitely go and see. And it's not just like the Walgreens brand stuff. They actually have some really nice kids' toys. So use some Walgreens cash and make it happen. Another deal I couldn't help myself is the Persil. So this week it's $5.99. The original price point for this is $9.79. And there's just a bit of magic stacking here. So my IBOTTA rebate has reset now 3 times. So I did it a 3rd time this morning. Grabbing one of these for $5.99, you're getting back a $2 register reward. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for an extra $1 back. It makes it $2.99. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward and to photograph that to IBOTTA. Now, there were dollar peelies spotted at Walmart last summer. If you were so lucky, I think I had one, so I was able to do that in the middle of the week. But still, it makes it absolutely fantastic if you might have that. Now, before I take off into the big sunset, I want to always mention to you guys to look high and low when you're walking in the store. If you ever might find like a register reward on the ground, it was raining here this morning. I found this guy and somebody just left it there. I don't even think they knew about it. They just left it there for me. And it was on the ground, so I picked it up and spent 40, get back 9. So I can use this starting on Sunday for my little deals. And I'm so delighted to have it. And it's not assigned to any store card. So say your mom went and picked up something at the pharmacy and got like, spend 10, get back 5 or whatever they offer at the pharmacy. Sometimes they're pretty generous. You could use that on any store card because it's not assigned to a specific store card. And sometimes when I find these on the ground, near a shopping cart, or in the garbage at Walgreens, I definitely fish them out and pick them up and make a deal extra sweet. Okay, guys, good luck. That 40% is magic. It's only around for a couple of days. Make those deals happen. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.